while using my Grizzly 660 today, I realized that in reverse, something's messing up. I don't know if it's in the carburetor. I know these, this is an 05 Grizzly 660 Yamaha. They have this override button for when you're in reverse. I know like when you hit reverse normally, when it was like new, it would like kind of spit and sputter a little bit unless you push that override button in, then you could go normal and reverse. So I'm thinking maybe it has something to do with that or something in the carb, but I got to figure out. This is what it sounds like when I back up. It doesn't want to back up. So I'm going to be looking into that. I got to get that fixed. So the positive terminal on the battery was having an issue. I don't know what the issue is. It's something with the battery. There's like a little bit of a gap. I just took the gap out of it. I think maybe the bolt was a little too long that came with the battery. It was strange. And the contacts broke on my positive terminal. So I got a replacement terminal, swapped it out. It's running fine. It also fixed my reverse problem because this thing has a override button for reverse. When I've been putting it in reverse and wanting to back up, it's been spitting and sputtering, running like crap. So fixing that positive terminal also fixed the reverse issue that I was gonna put. There's a bypass that you can put on for the switch so you can run reverse wide open, but I don't need to do that now.